saving power, saving money, saving energy, high efficiency, easy operation. 1丈500瓦 handheld integrated laser welding machine. Equipped with individually customized pulsed lasers. Compact and convenient. Equipped with integrated laser welding gun. The length of the handgun line is 5 meters. Let us look how it works. Laser handheld gun switch. Below is foot switch for table welding. Let's look at the welding effect. Fast